Alright guys, just picked up a new package. Let's open it up. This should be my new vise, if I'm right. Looks like it. Here's the Furious Lotus barrel. The tip of it at least. Here's the back. Looks like Cocker Threads 689. And then here's the vise. Vise. Alright, I'm just going to do a quick overview of the vise I just got in the mail. As you can see, it's got the Furious Lotus barrel, which is really nice. I just shot it, and it was pretty quiet and pretty accurate, and I liked it overall. It's also got the Bob Long 360 rag, which comes stock. I believe that's the S-Class trigger, which also comes stock. It's got the low-pressure poppet in it, the pillow bolts, the laser 4CI system, you can see in there, and I just threw a Bob Long cam drive ASA on it, which it's probably my personal favorite ASA on the market right now, and it's shooting great. Alright guys, this is going to be a quick vise first impressions shooting video. I've got 3 pods lined up, and right now my tank is at, looks like it's about just under 3,000, so this is going to be a little bit of an efficiency test too. And I'm going to shoot off 3 pods for you. Alright, gas is up nice. See how this works. One more pod. That's it. And now the tank looks to be about at 2,000, so not too bad. Lost about 1,000 psi off 3 pods, so not terrible.